Hello dear brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Imrul Kais once again in front of you. You are welcome to my English learning channel Imrul's English. It is really a kind of fantastic and a wonderful moment for me. I just want to tell you that it is really a kind of divine time for me as I am now speaking from my native village. Exactly, some of you will surely miss this kind of excellent chance from your life as you are living in the capital city of Dhaka, capital city of Delhi or Kolkata. As you are actually living in abroad, so you can normally miss this kind of wonderful chance to enjoy such a beautiful and natural beauty of my country Bangladesh. So dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that some of you are waiting with long endurance, long patience that when Imrul Bhai will give us video, then we will enjoy his speech including the natural beauty. So dear brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, as you know that I have a strong passion in my mind to actually teach some student how to become very fluent in English. So I should also give them some diplomatic idea about this, that how to become fluent English speaker. So brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, some of my learners frequently ask me, dear Imrul Bhai, how can it be possible for me to become a fluent English speaker like you? So dear brother, I just want to ask you this moment that how long do you spend behind your learning English every day? Can you speak the truth? I hope that most of the person will surely avoid this question answer. I hope that some of you will hide yourself behind the screen after getting this kind of question from me. So dear brother, I hope that you are really getting the point of my speaking view. First of all, I would like to tell you that why do I like to record these videos such a beautiful place. Actually dear brother, I should tell you that once upon a time when I was very little in size, that time I came here. It is situated, it is my neighboring village and it is really very close to my village, and I come here by crossing a big river, Fuljor river. So dear brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, I told you that day it is very difficult for the person to cross the river if she doesn't know how to swim in the pond, swim in the river. A person who doesn't normally know how to swim in the pond, he will surely face lot of problems at the time of crossing river. So dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen, I am super happy today by ruminating the time I spent when I was little in size. I was about 10 years old that time I came here with some of my village friends. Most of them were naughty boys. Actually, why should I say them naughty boys? Like me, actually you can also think about your some childhood friends. They were very naughty boys. They spent time actually by playing cricket, football, different kinds of boys. They made a plan to steal someone gardens, fruit and different kinds of. They also try to enjoy their childhood. So dear brother, I am not exceptional from them. I have also a childhood memory. I am actually thinking after coming here that really it was really a kind of fantastic moment for my life. So brother, after living in the capital city of Dhaka, I am understanding what is happening to my life. Whenever I come out from my room, then I don't actually get any transport to go to my destination timely. But you see the vacant place, you see the totally vacant place around the arena of my native village. So dear brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, I want to suggest you that if you want to learn English, then you have to identify such a beautiful place where you need to come, there you need to practice, there you need to make your destination. And if you can practice at a stretch, I think that continuously if you practice 3 months, I think it will be possible for you to learn English very easily. So dear brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, you are clearly aware about your life. Nobody will give you any suggestion. Nobody will come you to give any kind of commitment. Dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen, I am here as your well-wisher. I want to give you some suggestion. I want to give you some money. Take this bag of money and enjoy your life. So brother, nobody will come to help you in this way. So you have to start your mission by yourself. You have to do something for your life by thinking deeply about your parents, about your family. Your family is demanding something different from you. A lot of currency fighter, I should tell them that they're currency fighter. They have migrated them from Bangladesh to United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, or some other countries like European countries, Switzerland, Italy, England, or United States of America in order to earn money. In order to earn money, and they want to earn their currency only for their country. So dear brother, I hope that the people who are now watching my video from abroad, like United Arab Emirates, that is called Dubai. Some people are now watching my video from Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Some of my learners are now watching my video from United States of America. I think you are missing this kind of wonderful scenario which are available in Bangladesh. A lot of people are now spending money for going abroad to enjoy the natural beauty, but they don't know that what a beautiful scenario is available by the side of his home, by the side of his village. So dear brother, I am not interested to actually lose this kind of chance from my life to enjoy so natural beauty. It is winter season. During winter season, the nature become really beautiful with a different color, with different colors, but yellow is one of them. So dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen, you see two boats are now actually lying on the soil, lying on the earth. In this moment they have no any use, and for this actually for this reason I clearly understand that some people also understand that when the people will understand that there is no use of you, they will leave you like this boat. When this boat was useful, that time this boat was not falling like this time. Same to you, dear brother. You think about yourself that a lot of people are using you, but they will leave you when you will have no money. So leave this kind of tendency from your mind that to earn money only. Okay, you need to also give something to your body, to your life. Am I right or wrong, dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen? So finally I want to give you this kind of message that if you want to learn English, I think that you should start your mission from now. Don't promise for tomorrow. Promise for now. Promise for now, and this moment you have to start your mission. That yes, Imrul sir is now speaking. Imrul brother, Imrul bro is now speaking English. I will also speak like Imrul Kais. Okay, I will also cross the level of Imrul Kais. Yes, I appreciate you. So brother, as you know that I have completed my honors and masters from a fantastic university of Bangladesh, a prominent university of Bangladesh, a celebrated university of Bangladesh, that is called Dhaka University. I was the resident student of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Hall, and my room number was 323. I changed my room several times, but finally when I left my room, that room number was 323. So dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen, you can clearly understand that I have spent so many years from my life for learning English, but without spending 1 year, 2 years, you are thinking that you want to be a fluent speaker like Imrul Kais. Impossible, dear brother. Please set your mind. Set your mind all the time that yes, what are you doing? You have to spend 24 hours behind learning English. Only that time it will be possible for you to learn English. So dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen, I sometimes become very much aggressive to get some question from my learners. Why do they ask me that I cannot? You should say I will. In this way, if you tell me every day, I will be very delighted. So dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you that if you are enthusiastic this time to learn English fluently, then you have to take your position like this place. This place is totally vacant place. Nobody will come to disturb you. Nobody will come to trouble you, and this place will be the best time for you to learn English. As you see this moment, I am shouting and speaking English. Nobody is around me, so that it is really a kind of fantastic opportunity for a learner to learn English. So dear brother, sister, ladies and gentlemen, I think that you are missing, you will be missing, and you will be lamenting for this kind of beautiful scenario around me. So by saying this, I want to say you goodbye today. I want to say you bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Tata.